so sick that this thing is just like set up for a drone.
Right there.
No. Oil bag fell. Did it dent? Look at this piglet right here.
That is cute.
This is a little piglet. Like, this is like somebody that actually sort of maybe knew what they were doing.
But it almost looks brush painted.
I don't know. It's
Back
hard
in the
to
day,
tell.
you could get away with all kinds of cool shit.
Look at that.
That's not a brush mark. That's like a
Look
skull.
at that.
I have been trying to get this fucking gas tank for how long now? Why do we do that? Mill those pieces down.
Will them while the food is.
Yeah, I'll mill those pieces down. We'll get the frame fixtured up right.
Okay.
And tight. Maybe we mock up.
I want to mock that.
I want to mock it up too, dude. So why don't we do that? Why don't I do that right now? Well, I'll mill those, get those ready. We'll get them in. We'll get it tight. Call it a day, and then we're on to bigger, better things. Oh, I'll also put that tank that we got to ship in this box, and then just his
I can do
address
that
on it. So it's already in there.
I can do that tomorrow.
Okay. The sergeant.
I will order food.
All right, did you already do that?
When? Right there, bitch.
Wow, holy shit.
Slid
I've
on
never
too
seen
nice.
that work.
Maybe too.
Here, let's do this. Make our lives just a tiny bit easier. Wait, no, where's the other one?
There's another one?
Yeah.
The cool one?
No. It's I think it's over. I
The
thought I
cool one?
had it on. I thought I had put it on there.
The cool one?
Yeah, the cool one.
With the stuff?
With the log. The one we got from Jekka. I'm still like, I know that's the sissy bar we gotta use, but like, yeah, that's the sissy bar we gotta use.
Why would you?
We just have the other cheetah one that's not, but like, it's got the grenade in there.
It needs the craziness, yeah.
Yeah.
They sound like gunshots.
That's a gun. That is a gun. 100% that's a gun.
A group of teens spotted waving weapons outside a store in Worcester. You could see one using a knife, but the other pulling out a big gun. 7's Stan Blyweiss is live in the newsroom with the story you'll only see here.
Well, Brandon, one shopper says that she was ambushed leaving the store. The community says this recent incident has them concerned.
Is it?
Yes. That's not a car.
No.
The back of the frame?
You want to lean back?
No. Like that's, the sissy bar is not attached, so I need you to like lift. Okay. We're gonna knock some chrome off doing this.
Be careful.
Hold on.
There we go, all right.
Oh man, this is like the right stuff though. How's it look from that side?
Bad.
This is a little guy, huh? What is this guy?
Yeah. Oh, ew.
What the fuck was that?
It looks like a fucking 15.
It's an 18. That's what tomorrow's gonna be. Hanging with the baby. Listening to her yell and scream. She does that. Yeah. Okay, if you like babies, check out throttlage.com. Maybe not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Now, do I swap a brake right now for a drum and slap it on there?
It really hurt.
It's so sick that this thing is just like set up for a drum.
Right there.
No. Wheel bag fell. Did it dent?
It doesn't matter.
I don't know if I can get that.
Come on, Dougie. Yeah. She wants to live. She wants to live a life. She wants to be a part of the earth. She needs this. She needs this for her life. Craig.
I'm caught on something else.
You're caught on that? Yeah, push it out. Get it.
That'll be easy.
You got this. You have this. Just get it past all the obstacles.
There we are.
Push beyond the obstacles.
Right there.
Slide it. Okay. Get in there. Do it. Do it right. Good. It's wider than it needs to be. Good.
Preferable.
Preferable.
Fender fits really good. Fender fits super good.
With a 19?
I don't think it'll be any better.
You don't think so?
It's only an inch or so.
Nah, it'll fit. We'll make it work.
I mean, yeah.
We're gonna make it work, Rick.
Okay. All right.
If that's what it has to be.
How do you wanna? What do you?
Pull it out. Pull the thing out.
Now what?
Okay. Hold it.
I got it.
Do you?
Sure.
Nothing's bolted
Are
down.
you sure?
I mean, yeah. What am I supposed to? What am I supposed to do with an empty case? Is there? Is there loose one?
Where is it? Where?
Follow my finger. It's literally right, next to
right next to you. To the right.
To your right.
Turn down.
Ah, you cuck ahead.
Wow!
What do you think? I got an idea.
Oh, look at this guy.
Might just make it.
Doesn't.
Does it?
I mean, I don't think the other ones are any wider.
Excuse me, love.
Oh, way too narrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are.
Baby.
I don't think the spacing's right for that.
Nope. John, when is that ever stopped? What about the Timberline bars?
They'd fit. 100%. I can't believe that thing fucking looks
Exists?
that good in there. Yeah.
It shouldn't look good, right?
It shouldn't, no.
Are they all crooked?
No, the stud is moving. I don't know if it can bottom out. I don't think it does.
The threads are probably fucked.
No, the stud is moving.
Yeah. Just bury the stud down as far as it'll go.
Will it bottom out eventually?
I don't know. Probably not.
So keep these on.
And
Put
leave
a bar
those.
through here. Put more dog bones on top of that.
Yeah.
All double dog boned up
Triple, double dog dared.
on a Thursday afternoon.
That's right. Dude, and we have that prismatic throttle,
Super B.
Super V throttle.
So, what do you got planned for the other tank? For
The other tank is gonna be dude, I mean,
It's kind of the only way.
it might be the only option we have. Is that round oil bag the oil bag?
I think
It
so.
definitely is.
I think you're overthinking
Overthinking it.
Yeah. Just the way it sits right now, if you saw a picture of this in a magazine, you'd be like, whoa.
Yeah, that's true.
What is that fucking thing?
Yeah, the oil bag, the sissy bar is so weird. Is this one wider than you?
Yep.
It is.
I think it might be an optical illusion.
Ooh. Maybe?
That one just looks beefier because it's
The ball.
molded.
It's like 25 to the clamp. Yeah, if anything, this one's a little short.
Really? I, for some reason, when we got that thing, thought that that springer was wicked long.
Which is crazy because that one
Yeah, it's long.
is fucked up long.
Yeah, it's a long one. But this thing, like, the stance where it sits, like, pick the ass end up a tiny bit with the 19, and I think it'd be mint. Floorboards work? I don't think so.
Why wouldn't they?
Well, like I'm saying, would it look weird with floorboards?
Put them up against it.
Don't tell me twice.
Sorry.
I love new knife floorboards.
And we have those cocktail shakers. Let's just rip the chrome pan head out of the fucking red light and stick it in it.
Pretty cool.
They're pretty fucking cool.
Pretty badass, actually.
I mean, that bike looks good with floorboards. If it sits good. So the floorboards aren't like fucking.
I like it.
All right, for now then, it's a yes for now then. We're developing a type.
You think so?
Yeah. Harley Springers, floorboards, Cheetah Sissy Bar.
Sure.
Yeah.
There's no floorboard tab.
I can just weld, so I can just. If we gotta weld something to it, we weld something to it.
I will not let you. Clamp.
A clamp? Oh, weld a clamp to this maybe?
Sure.
Yeah, I can weld a clamp to this. I think that's it. Look at it. Look at it. Go over there and look at it. Dude, I kind of am into this.
I like it.
I think it looks right.
I like it.
We got it. How do we get this shit out of here?
How's it look?
I mean, even that tank placement's pretty good.
Yeah, I don't think it matters. But I do like the higher just
I like the way that the lines are with the higher tank. That's pretty cool though. I wish there was a way to mock it up like that to like see it.
That's awesome.
That's awesome, right?
Why does it smell?
Dude, chicken wings.
That does not smell like chicken. It smells like Play-Doh or something.
You take a picture of that.